Hello friends. Welcome to our channel Killer Knowledge. Before we dive into the video, do consider hitting the subscribe button below.
Hello friends, you are watching Amazfit piece which is from Huawei. On the front of the box we got the key specifications. It works for tracking heart rate, steps and 12 more workouts. It got built-in GPS and a music playback controlling key. On the back side of the box they mention the features in detail. Activity and sport tracking, GPS, water resistant, notifications, ceramic case, heart rate, music, and long lasting battery of 290 megahertz battery power. Always on display and a warranty which is for 1 year. And for more information, I am giving that it has a 512 MB RAM, 1.2 GHz dual core processor, 4 GB storage. Let's open the box. We got the watch here and it is in a nice packing. Let's see what else are given in this box. Here is our charging dock, which is used for charging the watch. It is in good quality. And a cable is required to put the charging. It is given here. Make sure that you are not charging it with a fast charger. We got Type A charger. It is not only a charger, but it can also be used for transferring data. Let's keep it aside. We got a user manual also here, which is in 2 languages. Let's look into the watch. Yeah, here is how it looks, and a sticker is given. Let's remove it. Yeah, it's look like this and it is very nice. Look at the build quality of the straps. It is really good. Strap can be easily removed. On the back side of the watch we got the heart rate sensor and a golden dots for charging. Let me power it up. It has a button to power it on. Hey, it is taking time. Until it sets, let us install the app from the Play Store named as Amazfit. Okay, we need to give the login credentials for this app. Let's sign up. I will show you the page after I logged in. Here you can see that it is asking for the language. I will select English. A QR code is displayed here and I need to scan the same with the application which I told you before. I got this page after I logged in. Here at the last we can add a device. Let's select the watch and select the watch what you have. Yeah, it is required Bluetooth. Okay, it is saying to scan the QR on the watch. So wait a second, it is asking for pairing confirmation. Yeah, now it is pairing. I got this watch with 38% charging and now in the watch it is asking which hand you will wear the watch. I will generally prefer left. Okay, it is taking time. In the watch, yeah, you can see that the time is automatically prefixed and when you slide from up, we got a weather forecast and a battery percentage, settings, auto brightness, And auto brightness levels, I think we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and it is fixed to auto after 5. And next we have a flight mode and a DND mode here. Okay, when you swipe from down, we got in notifications. When you swipe left, we got some workouts over here: running, walking, outdoor cycling, treadmill, and some more. They mentioned totally 12 are there. Okay, generally I don't use some of them. When you swipe right, we got heart rate sensor, weather forecast, music controller, and some activities if we do. And we have here alarm, sleep, training, overview, stopwatch, timer, compass, and location. Okay, I think we have some faces over here. Let's see. When you touch and hold the watch screen, then we got some faces. We have plenty of faces here. You can select any of those. If you're not satisfied with these faces, you can just install some more from the link given in the description. We can charge the watch through this dock and the USB cable. We need to make sure that the dots of the watch and the dots of the dock come together. Yeah, when it come together, it starts charging. I purchased this watch at the price around 4,700. I was really happy for that price, but our assessing officer levied a custom duty of 2,550. So finally the price rises to 7,250. I am thinking to give a full review of this watch. So to watch that video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Thank you.